What's up, everybody? So the interview of Marc Benioff by Ben Thompson on Stratechery is a must listen for anyone in the enterprise AI game. Number one makes me smile. Marc being told that he sucks at sales is the equivalent of telling Tom Brady that he sucks at football. So here's Marc's quote. I'm at this new job at Apple now, this external job, and my manager comes to me and says, "You're pretty good with technology." I go, "Thank you. But your sales skills kind of suck, and you need to think about when you graduate, you're not going to just go out and program." And I said, "You want me to get a sales job?" And he's like, "Yeah." Number two, Marc sees AI filling gaps in enterprise business value chains that were previously unimaginable to fill. The demand was always there. It just couldn't be addressed until now. Well, I never have been more excited about anything, let's just say that. I mean, from a business perspective or a technology perspective, I've never been more excited. Well, I think we're about to change business itself. Think about all the things in our life where we wish there were people and there weren't. An agent-first telecom company means that whether you're working with their employee or you're working with their systems directly, you're going to have a more fulfilled, accurate, resolved experience where before you might be left hanging. What if my workforce had no limits? What if I could start a company and I could start selling and servicing at scale? Number three, when it comes to the innovator's dilemma, Marc Benioff and Salesforce, they don't have any dilemma. It's all innovation / opportunity, aka all gas, no brakes. Our story is that the code that we wrote 25 years ago, and I can go through our vision of a metadata model combined with a multi-application framework combined with a deep sharing model for users can transcend technology paradigms. And by doing that, we have been able to get to this moment where we're going to talk about at some point what I'm super jacked about right now. Number four, it's not just AI vision or use cases. He has case studies, aka receipts, which should get everybody's attention. Here's a killer quote. "Oh no, that's not vision, because I have a customer that is doing that, and I want to use that customer's name. But they're very cautious right now about me using it because they don't want to trigger everybody starting to really look at exactly how our technology is working. But I hope very shortly that in that specific healthcare example, again, healthcare highly regulated, because I'm just going to contrast it to what you just said. If you can do these things, then you can deliver huge value to companies. And I have a lot of stories now in my pocket. This is code that is shipping now, that's available for companies of any size. Number five, plus 1,000 on the endorsement of building in public on Twitter. More of that for sure. His quote, "I'll make an aggressive statement on that on Twitter or wherever. I like making my little tweets. I actually test out my marketing messages ahead of time on Twitter." Good for you, Marc Benioff. You are the GOAT of all goats. Have a good day. Take care.